This is a tutorial about how to make an observation using iNaturalist. Open the app and tap the green circle with a plus sign. 5 smaller circles will appear, and the two buttons that you will use the most are the camera to take photos via the app and the photos to upload pictures taken via your phone's own camera app. This option tends to provide better quality images. In this example, I will be using images taken with my phone's own camera. So I want to select the circle with the photo icon, select the images that I want to upload. It is a good habit to take multiple photos of specimens that you find, showing multiple characteristics of the organism that can assist with identification. For example, the basal leaves of plants and the gills or the pores of fungi. You then have to group the photos together into one observation by selecting the photos and tapping the dark grey button at the bottom left of the screen. This step is beneficial when you're uploading multiple observations at once. When your observation is grouped together, you can import the observation, and you then reach the New Observation page. If you have given iNaturalist permission to access geodata associated with uploaded photos, then some sections of the observation will be completed automatically, such as the location, time, and date. Select the ID with AI button, and this will suggest identifications with a high percentage match to your uploaded images. The small I to the right of the suggested identification will take you to a page with multiple photos and information about the species. At this point, you want to select the identification that you think aligns best with your observation by tapping the green check mark next to the species name. The great thing about iNaturalist is that you don't need to be correct. The community of other iNaturalist users can support identifications or suggest new ones, and this will be shown later in the video. Back at the New Observation page, you can alter the geoprivacy settings, the wild status of your observation, and you can input any additional notes that you think are important, such as habitat, behaviour, or population. Once you are happy with your observation, you can tap Upload Now at the bottom of the screen. You are then taken back to the starting screen where you can view your previous observations and start to upload your next one. If you want to check the progress of your observations, you can select the observation you want to view, select the Activity tab, and see what other iNaturalist users thought of your identification. Supporting means that they have agreed with your initial observation, and improving means that a user has suggested a different identification. Once 2 or more users have supported your observation, it then becomes research grade, and it can progress through the biological data flow towards the Global Biodiversity Information Facility. For this to happen, your account has to have correct licensing permissions. TCV have a video detailing how to do this, and you can find it in our Citizen Science highlight on Instagram.